wetin dey. Tori e dey. We go for that side for Gabon. Wetin happen for Gabon, countryman, countrywoman. Now they release for former First Lady. The movie for last Friday, that will come up for ya. The movie for Ngatta. In Injaka. They be don't lock them since, so they be move their papa, Ali Ben Bongo Ondimba, for power. Ali Ben Bongo, he be come for power, because if papa be don't stay plenty, you two come for gas stay plenty, he is sick, he wants to be president, you know where, wait for talk say for public no day, but he wants to be president. That Olenginge Madon movie, he don't go organize his own election, he talks say don't win him, so now he be president for Gabon. So Sivan Bongo and Noureddin Bongo, they don't free them for last Friday. They don't go meet up their papa, Noureddin, don't meet up his papa, and then Siva don't meet up his master for house where they stay there. For house where master will stay there, and then that has been under tight security. They call her for Afrancisé résidence surveillée. Les surveillations de résidence. That's all the thing they be not accusing for plenty matter. Una know say that coup d'etat will happen for Gabon. Now for the night for 29 on 30th August 2023. So if you look at now, so small time, it will be 2 years where Olenginge Maron take power for that side. Now it don't be in an Oga Kwata, it don't win the election we organize them. So now so it day for that side for Gabon. The news na so it na say Noureddin don't come up from Ngatta, and you know come you want, it come out with Reme.